Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode, and I'll be showing you how to create a Maven-based web project in Visual Studio Code. Maven is a popular build automation tool used for Java projects. It is designed to simplify the build process and manage the dependencies of the project. Now, Java projects can be deployed in several ways, depending on the type of application and target environment. Some common ways of deploying Java applications are WAR, jar, Docker container, executable jar deployments, platform-specific installers. In this episode, we'll be focusing on WAR file. So a WAR file or a web application resource file is a standard file format used for distributing a collection of Java servlet, Java server pages, and other resources that together comprise a web application. The WAR file format is defined in the Java servlet specification, and it is used to package a web application for deployment on a Java servlet container, such as Apache Tomcat, Jetty, or JBoss. So in this tutorial, we'll be focusing on the WAR file, and we'll start by installing JDK. So in order to create a WAR file with your Maven and Java projects, we have to install JDK on our computer, Maven, and we are going to be using Visual Studio Code, so you could install that. Just open it. So let's start with installing JDK. Okay, so we go to our browser and let's check. So I'm using a Windows. I'm using a Windows computer. So we'll check this out and say, okay, download JDK on Windows 11. So click on this first one, and let's see. Okay, so um, let's see. Okay, this is Linux, Mac, Windows. So let's go to Windows. Then I will be clicking on this one in X64 installer. This one. It ends with EXE. Click on it and download. So this is for downloading, yeah. So I already have it downloaded in my computer. So I'm going to pause this and go to my downloads folder. Okay, so this is it here. So the next thing is for you to click on it and execute. Yes. Okay, so you can see it's already installed in my computer. But let's see, let's go around and continue. So I'm going to reinstall. So you can follow this process. Next, next. Okay, still installing. And Let's be patient a little more. Okay, next. Okay, so I think it's a complete install. So it's completely installed now. So the next thing for us to do now is to download our Maven. So I download Maven on our computer. Okay, so come to this. Mhm. Then so we'll be using this zip archive. So click on it. And this is not even take 3 seconds. Okay, it's downloaded already. So open it. This is our Maven. Yeah. So the next thing now is for us to extract it. So let's click on it and extract it here. Okay. So now it's extracted. I'll copy this, move in a folder in, and then copy this. Copy it or cut it. So I'm going to copy it and then take it to our program files. So the program files, mine is in local big C. So program file, paste it here. Okay, so this pop-up came up and then click continue and then paste it. So now that you pasted it, go inside, click on it, and then see this. We are going to copy the folder link or the folder address. So click here, up here, and then copy. Now the next thing for us to do now is to go to our environmental variables. So in order to get the system environmental variables, come to your search button here. System, okay, let's do environmental variables. Okay, so we have this edit environmental variables. We open this and then we have this pop-up here. Click on environmental variables. Now looking at this, now we can see now that we don't have anything. So the next thing for us is to click on new and then paste that value, the address, then name this maybe capital letters underscore home. Then click OK. Then under system variables, yeah, come to parts and edit. Now, I already done this. Yes, let me do this. Add new. I'll paste our Maven here. These are parts here, and then okay, click on okay, then click on okay then. So the third okay. Now we have this in our oh okay. Let's do that again. I think I missed a step. So we are going to our environmental variables into this. Open environmental variables. Okay, this is still here. Go to parts, edit. So we have this, so we click on this and edit. So the next is put paste here again. Then put our slash B. Yeah, so this was what we missed. Small letter B, then okay. Okay again. Okay. So now we have this in our environmental variables. Now to verify that Maven has been installed, let's go to our command prompt. CMD open and check our Maven. Maven underscore version. Sorry, MVN underscore version. Okay, so this is it. It's installed. You can see it's Maven 3.96. Let's check our Java version. Okay, so this is the Java installed. So now, the next thing for us to do now is this now. After we have installed maybe we've installed our Java, right? So let's go back to, this is where we have, so we've done this too. Now this one, I already have my VS Code installed. So if you don't, I already have mine installed. So I'm going to open my VS Code now and come here. So this is my VS Code. This is a new page here. Let me see what's the next thing. Okay, so in the VS Code, you're supposed to install Java extension pack and Java maybe for Java. So let's go here and install this. Copy this Java extension pack. Okay, so I already installed this. Let me uninstall it and install it again. So we install this. This is not going to take time. The next one I'm supposed to install is Maven for Java. Let's see. We'll do the same installation, you know. Okay, so maybe for Java is also installed. I'm going to install it, uninstall and then install it. So this is installed maybe for Java. Our Java extension pack is installed. I'm going to close this and reopen it. So we have our extensions installed. So the next thing now, we have done this 1 to 4. So now we are going to have to create a new living project. So let's go back here and let's go back to our VS Code. So we'll be clicking for Windows using Control Shift plus P. Yeah. So Control Shift P. Okay. Again. Yes. So now I'm going to click on this maybe let's type maybe so you can see. So we have these are the mediums we have. I'm going to click on this update maybe at the side app. So you can see that's updating right now. You just have to wait a little. Okay, so this is done. Maybe I like it here. Let me check again. Okay, yeah, it's done updating. You can't see it here. So the next thing for us to do is to create a Maven project and select it. So the next thing now is for me to come back here. Now we have this here. So we are going to add a new project. And then when you click on add a new project, this comes up. So we have quick starts. This contains a simple Maven project. Okay, we have this is for simple Java project. So we will be using this Maven archetype web app. So I'm going to click on this and then we are going to go with 1.4. The version for me is 1.4. So now in this, this is going to be our package name or a group. So I'm going to let's call it DevOps. We enter, click enter. So the name of our project. So what we are going to call it, um, first, first WA app. Or we can call it Java app or whichever, but I'm calling it first WA app. So click enter and then we go to a place where we want it stored. Want to store our folder. So I am going to store mine here on this tutorial projects here and click select destination. Okay, so it's still creating. You can see it's creating here. Okay, so it asks for us to define value for our property version 0.1.0 snapshot. So I'm just going to, I want it like this. So I'm going to click enter. So what's the next thing? So we have our artifact ID, first WA app, version 1.0 snapshots, package DevOps. So the next thing, okay, so I'm supposed to accept. I'm going to click Y and enter. Okay, so now we have it already. Project, our Maven project first WA app is created under this URL. So I'm under this link. So we are going to click open. Okay, so now this is it, our WA app here. Yeah. So look at this is the document. This is what has been formed. So we have our SRC main web app, and then we have a web dash info. We have a web.xml. So these are form.xml. These are form.xml, yeah. And then these are index.js. Um, let's click on this form.xml and see what it is. Okay. So a form.xml file yeah, is the central configuration file used in Maven-based Java projects. It stands for Project Object Model, and it is written in XML formats. The pom.xml file defines the structure and configuration of a Maven project. So this is our structure, and it tells you, okay, DevOps, group ID, DevOps, artifact name, web ID, first web app, version 1.0, package war. This is the war file. This package war file. Okay, the package war file, then we have this coming down here. So we have our plugins, we have the versions, and it just has all the details. So this tells you that, okay, when we build, this just gives you the configuration. So now, after this, now let's see, the next thing for us to do is want to build. So we have done this, yeah, we've done this, we have done this. We have done all this. So now the next step is step 6. Yeah. So instead, look at this, follow the prompt, and see that we named our own DevOps, and we named this my first war app. So you can change it to whatever you want, and then the other configurations again. So the next step is step 6. This is to generate the war file in the target directory. So to generate the war file, copy this. We are going to be using Maven clean package. So yes. Now close this. Open your terminal. Okay. So now we have this. So the next thing is for us to create our work file. This is the work file we'll be using to deploy. We'll be deploying our Java when we are deploying to Tomcats or any other like JBoss. I think we're like 2 or 3. So we are going to use MVN clean package. Let's see. So now this is supposed to generate the work file. Okay. Okay. So now we can see our build, our work file is successfully built. This did not take time because we barely have a lot. We only had hello world in it. So now after this build, you can see that this target was formed. And so the next thing you can see all the files here on property. So this is the first war app dot war. So this is the war app that we're talking about. So this is what we've been able to build. So this is what we are now going to deploy to our environment. Thank you.